Okay, so we have an update. I'm not sure where I left you off at, but yeah, we got handlebars, we got the brake, we got the throttle. I messed up on the motor. Remember I had it the other way? Well, luckily I posted a picture of that because my engine guy was like, "You driving this thing backwards?" I go, "No," and I was like, I didn't even think which way the crankshaft spins." So yeah, so I had to spin it around, so that means I had to redo the motor mount. So I cut those loose. I have re-squared it up since the last time I saw you. I bought a LS1 alternator bracket, sourced that locally. The Chinese water pump came in. My buddy finished machining the Gokart, or the shaft, the spacer, so that this precision ground 3/4 inch keyed shaft could go in there. And I got it all lined up. It's tracking down the middle of the chain, which is good, so it shouldn't throw it. At least I hope not. That is not until the chain breaks. So I did get the Y pipe built for the turbo. Starter on. Yeah, we're getting there. Yeah, I'm hoping tonight we'll have the battery mounted, the fuel tank mounted, and go from there. This is gonna be nuts. So, all right, I'll update you in a little bit.